We'll guide you through how to install Google Chat on laptop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want a faster, more convenient way to access Google Chat without opening a browser each time. Many users are unaware that it can be installed as a desktop app. This guide helps them simplify their workflow, improve accessibility, and create a more organized communication setup for daily use. To begin the process, open the Windows Start menu on your computer system by clicking the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the menu appears, search for Google Chrome using the search field provided, typing the name clearly so it can be found quickly. After the search results are displayed, run the Google Chrome browser on your device by selecting it from a list. When the browser opens, navigate to Google Chat by entering Google Chat into the address bar at the top and hitting Enter on your keyboard. From the results shown, choose the link to the official Google Chat website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. After the page loads, verify that you have logged into your account, as access to Google Chat requires an active login. Once confirmed, you will be directed to the Google Chat home interface, where your chats and options are displayed. To install Google Chat, hover your cursor to the top right of the browser window and look carefully for the Install Google Chat button, which is represented by a computer icon with a downward arrow. When you locate it, click on the Install Google Chat button to proceed. Immediately after clicking, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen presenting installation choices. Within this menu, options for install and cancel will be displayed clearly. Select Install to continue with the process. After making your selection, a new window will appear indicating that the application is being set up on your device. Shortly after, the Google Chat desktop interface will load, showing that the installation has been completed successfully. At this point, you can maximize the window for better visibility and easier navigation. Finally, you have successfully completed the Install Google Chat process, and you can now open Google Chat directly from your desktop without needing to search for it through a browser each time you want to use it.